Communal violence continues to grip the northeastern state of Manipur. Now, amid the ongoing unrest, Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday cancelled his poll rallies in Maharashtra and left for Delhi to chair a high-level meeting to review the situation. Now, let's also tell you that after the meet, the Ministry of Home Affairs has decided to deploy 50 companies of the Central Armed Police Force in Manipur. Chief Minister Biren Singh also called the meeting of his MLAs at his residence. Now, the development comes while CRPF Director General Anish Dayal has been rushed to Manipur amid growing tensions involving ransacking and arson in Imphal East and Imphal West. Last Thursday, the central government reimposed the Armed Forces Special Powers Act in 6 police station areas of Manipur, including the violence-hit Jiribam district.
Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh has called for the meeting with the MLAs of his party, and there you can see the visuals. All the MLAs have started arriving at the residence of the Manipur Chief Minister and Biren Singh, knowing the fact that he has to show his strength to the people and also to the members of the Legislative Assembly. There has been a very serious situation which is emerging for him because the NPP has already pulled down their support from Biren Singh. But sources are also saying in the camp, which is towards Biren Singh, that out of 7, 4 MLAs are still in favor of Biren Singh. On the other side, there was a high-level meeting which had already happened among the security forces to look into the situation. MHA has also decided to send more paramilitary forces in the valley so that the situation can be brought back to normalcy. But what came as a very big relief for the Manipur Chief Minister is the NPF, the Naga People's Front, showing their support in favor of the Chief Minister of the state, saying that only Chief Minister should not be blamed for what has happened, and in fact the people of the conflict who are also getting themselves indulged in conflict should also be held accountable. Amidst all this political turmoil, Biren Singh is in his full mode to show his strength. That's why all the MLAs of his side have been called to join the meeting.
Now, the opposition, on the other hand, has sharply criticized the central government, accusing Prime Minister Modi of failing to restore peace in the northeastern state. Jairam Ramesh has launched an offensive claiming that Prime Minister Modi has no time to visit the state. Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi has also alleged that stepmotherly treatment towards Manipur. The opposition's aggression comes while the political crisis deepens in Manipur. Let's tell you all 7 MLAs of Conrad Sangman's MPP withdrawing support from the Biren Singh government, citing its failure to manage the unrest.
1.5 साल हो गए मणिपुर हिंदुस्तान का स्टेट है, मगर प्रधानमंत्री आज तक मणिपुर नहीं गए हैं। और मणिपुर में मैं गया हूं, मैंने अपनी आंखों से जो हो रहा है देखा है। हमारी पूरी सपोर्ट है। भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में जो मैंने कहा, 4000 किलोमीटर हम चले, नफरत के बाजार में मोहब्बत की दुकान। हमने मैसेज दिया कि अगर आप नफरत फैलाओगे तो आग लगेगी, और बीजेपी के लोगों ने नफरत फैलाई है और इसीलिए आग लगती है।
मणिपुर जल रहा है और प्रधानमंत्री दुनिया के अलग अलग देशों में जाते हैं, प्रवचन देते हैं, पर मणिपुर जाने के लिए उन्होंने समय नहीं निकाला है। फौरन प्रधानमंत्री एक ऑल पार्टी डेलीगेशन, मणिपुर के ऑल पार्टी डेलीगेशन से मिले, समझे क्या क्या हो रहा है। अभी न केवल कांग्रेस एमएलए बल्कि बीजेपी के एमएलए के घर को भी जलाया जा रहा है। ये पहली बार हो रहा है। तो ये हमारी दूसरी मांग है कि एक सर्वदलीय बैठक बुलाई जाए, मणिपुर के नेताओं के साथ, राष्ट्रीय पार्टी हैं उनके नेताओं के साथ।
The Prime Minister refuses to act decisively. There seems to be a stepmotherly attitude in the corridors of power in Delhi. They think that Manipur is a small state and the conflict is an ordinary conflict between two communities. They simply do not have an understanding of the gravity of the situation. We all cannot fathom why the Prime Minister refuses to take stock of the situation in Manipur and prefers to stay abroad. With this attitude, Manipur will not return to peace.
We have withdrawn our support to the Biren Singh-led government. So it is very specific to him, to the individual. If we see that there's a change in the leadership, and if we see that there's a positive step forward, and if we see that there is a plan to move forward to find resolution, and we can constructively cooperate and contribute to ensuring that the peace and the normalcy will return, then we are happy to be working. But we'll see the situation. It's difficult to say right now.
So I would not even bring the political aspect of it, because I have observed things very closely. Sensitive issues should never be politicized, and we should not try to inflame any kind of anger by our speeches, by our deeds, or by any of our comments. So it's better to be quiet than to speak and flare anger.